Okay, so we've spent 24 hours in the most luxurious internet cafe. Now, let's go stay at an interesting hotel with a human washing machine.
Wait, what?
Yes.
What she said.
$700 for the peninsula or $50 for the internet cafe room. Tough choice. I know, right? Decisions. Or you've got this third option here of a hotel with the world's first human washing machine.
What does that even mean?
That's what I want to know at the same time. I'm kind of scared.
We are about to find out. This is from Travel Geek, trying the world's first human washing machine hotel in Japan.
Oh my god.
Here's a glimpse of what's to come.
It's like going through a car wash, except you are the car.
Yeah, basically. Oh, it looks like it's going to be in Osaka. Let's take a look now.
I almost have like bits and pieces of that.
This was just a couple of weeks ago, filmed December 14th, 2025, taking the Kintetsu train from Nara, where Nakama lives, over to central Osaka. He always takes us train to Osaka. Never gets bored with breathtaking views, especially around sunset time. It is quite breathtaking.
Took the words right out of my mouth.
Vast residential area stretching out before you see the entire urban city of Osaka off in the distance.
That is a really pretty view.
That's the little things that can make your day special. Here we are in Namba. Local motorcycle club living it up. Ready to spend a night here in Namba. So it's rare to see biker gangs these days. But they are apparently alive.
Oh my god.
So you're referencing South Park there?
Yes. The center of Osaka has such unique, chaotic culture. We're going to be trying the world's first. Here in Osaka, one hotel in Namba recently installed what's known as a human washing machine. First introduced at Expo 1970 in Osaka, otherwise known as the World's Fair. I just came back to you making bike noises and got a fright. I'm sorry. The human washing machine finally realized practical application in a hotel. Not sure why you need to be so shouty about hotel. Without further ado, let's head to the hotel. About 10 minutes from central Osaka. Through the Minami area, which is red light district of Namba. The street we're walking on is a host town where female customers pay for male company. I'm sure I'd be very flattered if a female randomly walked up to me and offered me money for company. Male equivalent of a host
sentence.
I mean, I would be flattered. I don't know if I'd take him up on the offer, but you know, it's nice to be.
Company.
Anyway, here's the hotel, Dotonbori Crystal Hotel the Third. One wonders what happened
Particularly
to
the third one.
I wonder what happened to the second and the first. Maybe they died in tragic accidents or something. A 10-story compact hotel converted from flats. And they installed the human washing machine December 10th in this hotel.
Yeah, Hotel 1 and 2 moved out.
Yeah, no. Yeah,
4 groups
Yeah,
can
no
use the
problem.
machine per day. Cost is $126 US for 90 minutes of use, regardless of the number of people. Enrique, welcome in. Long time no see. Hear me, O nobleman. It's been a while since I last joined a stream, but a nobleman never loses his title in the presence of the great Lord Rexworth. And with that note, I already wish you a precious and beloved new year, one that may be filled with success and greatness. Cheers. Thank you so much, Enrique. Happy New Year to you as well. Hope you're doing well. Hope you and the family are doing all right. And yes, very safe and happy New Year to you also. Thank you so much.
Happy New Year's.
Oh, and the fee that you pay for 90 minutes of usage of the human washing machine, yeah, that's not built into your accommodation fees. That's separate.
So you gotta pay separately for the human car wash experience.
Yes, and our cameraman is staying here today with his father. Accommodation fee for 2 persons is just over 11,000 yen per night, or about $81.33. Still not bad.
That ain't that bad.
You can definitely tell these are old converted flats here.
Mm.
This corridor definitely has that vibe.
I was just about to say, this reminds me of one of those old school apartments.
Mm-hmm. Something you see in all the slice of life animes. Yeah. Walking the hallway feels like an apartment, not a hotel at all.
Yeah. My mind went to a completely different thought. Like, I expected to see someone's head around the corner just staring.
Very
Japanese apartment atmosphere here. Kitchen near the entrance. Shoecase off to your right. You're expected to take off your shoes and swap out for slippers here. Our human washing machine session is from 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. the next morning. So we're just going to kill some time for a while in here. Not a bad looking room. Twin beds from Simmons. Oh, there's Dad.
Like, who the hell is ringing the doorbell?
I thought it was in my end for a second.
Yeah, Dad, just pull the handle. Okay, there you go. Anyway, welcome home, Dad. Good to see you. How you doing? How's your back feeling lately? Oh, he needed to dash off immediately to the loo. Yeah, you take your time there, Dad. Right. While he's doing that, we'll check the window views. Yeah, 1.5 out of 10. That's bad. Don't like silence, so can fill the silence with some noise from the telly, which is on a rather posh-looking stand there. Can't wait for that human washing machine session.
I was gonna say, is Dad still in there?
Yeah, no, this is a different room. Oh, here's the washing machine. They buy hire.
Not the washing machine.
Yeah, that one's not made for humans. That is not made for humans.
Disappointing.
Unless you're a midget.
Here's our Japanese-style hotel bathroom, otherwise known as a unit bath, all prefab. Got some drip coffee there in the pull-out drawers, swing-round drawers, dishes for some home cooking, utensils. Right, it's our turn to use the human washing machine. Hotel staff guides us to a different room. There's one entire room just for the human washing machine experience.
That must be one big ass washing machine then.
It's a
Well,
big
it's got to
room.
fit a person.
Oh, there's a dry sauna there. And there it is. The human washing machine, chat.
I
The
almost
way of the
thought that was a
future.
head. I almost thought that was a head. First,
Yeah. Looks like the head of some sort of
I'd see
monster is
that.
going to gobble you up. Yeah. The
like it
machine
looks
costs...
like a head of one of those dinosaurs, but it goes nom 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 nom.
Yeah, basically. Numbs you up and washes you and then spits you out. This machine costs 328,000 yen, or just under $2,300 US. Construction costs not included. At this point, only special businesses can purchase it, but the company, Science, aims to sell it to ordinary households starting this next year.
Interesting.
A lot of human washing machine experiences at the most recent World Expo recently. So,
Yo, there's a mini fridge and a microwave over there.
ah yes. Nice looking vanity area too.
That's either a projector screen to the right there or a TV.
TV.
It's a TV.
Oh, and you don't have to be a guest at the hotel to book a reservation for the room.
So
Oh, there's the
anyone
vitamin
can
C
basically
drinking.
use it.
Yeah, as long as you have a reservation. Oh, you do have to read the instructions first on how to use the human washing machine. Looking back, our cameraman actually ended up using the machine a bit wrong, so probably should have studied more closely. I assume the households are outside Japan. What Japanese home or apartment can accommodate a thing of that size? Probably some luxury housing, but that's about it. Yeah, this is definitely not something built for your standard Japanese flat. We've got frosted glass for privacy. Specialty bone conductive earbuds. So you can listen to relaxation music while keeping water out of your ears. Right. Let's sit down. Blue lighting has a very futuristic vibe here. There's a big red button on the right. In case of emergency, just smash the big red button. And to turn the machine on, you push the big green button.
Creators of this machine have in fact seen Final Destination.
Yes. Actually,
I mean, it was
closes
nice if they
automatically.
did.
It takes 5 minutes for the walls to fill up. It's warm. It's comfortable. Yeah, I probably should have waited outside for the walls to fill up.
But how are you supposed to hit the button?
Good question.
Get it, then started, and then just wait it on the outside.
Okay, then we press the blue button to start the human washing. Since I'm going to check the monitor here.
Human washer in the future, filling with water.
Add more water depending on the body size. I suppose our heart rate sensor. I am learning. No, you're not.
Don't cry crushes dreams.
This whole cycle takes 15 minutes. First 5 minutes for relaxation. You've got relaxing music and virtual scenery here. Gentle washing without detergent, using fine bubbles to avoid scrubbing. But don't you need to scrub though? Still seems like a milky bath. Even those with atopic dermatitis can use a human washing machine no problem. But apparently our cameraman suffers from atopic dermatitis. Things that are living in the future.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I'm getting Subnautica vibes from this.
I am too, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
That ring.
After 5 minutes, start spraying water containing fine bubbles. And the sprays come from all directions inside the capsule.
With the hand thing, I was like, it's given like, strike me, who?
The angle and strength of the spray can be freely changed by directly adjusting it with your hand. Multiple performance of our cameraman's iPhone 17 about to reach its limit.
Doesn't hit that camera.
The heart rate displayed seems to be the cameraman's in real time. Not sure how accurate that really is. No, washing is complete. Electrocardiogram monitored by a sensor in the back. And this was the results. So about half the time you were relaxing. Average heart rate 54. Somewhere in the middle between active and relax. Completion. To open the hatch, you just press the blue button again. And the inside of the capsule turned blue once more. The cameraman is reborn! After a long period of hibernation, it's like that. A long period, you're just in there 15 minutes, man. It'd be perfect if they could wash your head and dry your body after all this. That'll be for version 2.0.
Exactly.
But overall, the verdict? Brilliant. Right, it's Dad's turn next. Enjoy, Dad.
Put him on the rinse cycle.
Meanwhile, we'll go check out the sauna. There's a good way to dry off. Extremely hot. Well, yes, it's a sauna.
Duh. What kind of sauna would it be if it wasn't hot?
Right?
I think at that point it's just a room.
Ooh, Rodopo C. And Pocari Sweat. Rodopo refers to Oranomin C, an energy drink. I do like those. Those are actually really tasty.
Yeah?
Pocari Sweat. It's an awful lot like Gatorade or Powerade. It's designed to promote absorption of nutrients and electrolytes into the body. And when you take Pocari Sweat and Oranomin C at the same time, It's the perfect sort of nutrition intake and rehydration.
Nice.
Usually they mix Bacardi Sweat and Anime C in a 2-to-1 ratio in a glass and just drink it. That was just really good. I'll have to let
Dad.
Oh, Dad's being clever there. We see where our cameraman gets a sense of humour from. Had to get it from somewhere, yeah?
Yeet.
Dad, you're getting bored in there.
He's like, wee, just betting on the walls.
Trying to
Not
figure
sure
out
what
what
you
he's
wrote there.
saying. He's like, can we eat? Oh, it's comfortable. Okay. What is this?
I have no idea. I can't read backwards.
Gafe?
I don't know.
Dad,
It looked
we have no idea what you're on about. Oh, please don't draw penises on the window.
you can't stop him.
It's like an alien wriggling inside an egg.
Only in this case, it's a washing machine.
He has also been reborn.
Meow.
He looked deeply moved as he has fond memories of attending the 1970 Osaka Expo. Oh, wow. I can only imagine what that must have been like. All the supplies placed here are of high quality. That looks like a sex toy.
I would assume it's some form of razor.
I hope so. But overall, a very pleasant and comfortable time for both father and son. They are actually quite grateful for the installation of this human washing machine.
Hey Siri, do you know where the recommends nearest bar?
Dad likes night walks in the town very much and is trying to find a good Western-style bar nearby. Also working on his English too. Unfortunately, Siri thought he was asking for the weather forecast.
Nearest bar.
Oh.
Restaurant.
Oh no.
And then he got information about bars in Nagoya instead of Osaka.
No. Do you
Either
know
his phone's
where the
broken,
recommends
he needs to work on his
nearest
English, or
bar
something's
restaurant?
just gone horribly wrong.
One possibility is the Shirodakabori store on Databori 1 in Osaka. Less than a kilometer to your west and it gets 83%
When we got info about nearby
ratings.
bars,
You want that one?
didn't like what was on
Yeah,
offer.
it's okay. Thanks.
Great. I can call that location or get direct.
近くのバー。
That man is struggling.
But
very
apparently,
tasty
cameraman
stuff.
does not know anyone who uses City more better than him.
More better?
Haven't found a good bar yet, so we're going to go to an izakaya bar restaurant first. I mean, when in doubt, just go with an izakaya. Don't worry about that. The area is perfect for a night walk, getting a hotel stay. Good exercise, good vibes. Chaotic but fun. Most popular area in Namba is definitely Dotonbori. You may remember it as Sotonbori from the Yakuza games. It's Osaka's most bustling shopping district, and a river runs through it.
That's cool.
Tons of people here all day. Most of them are tourists from overseas. That's some clever advertising there. Most restaurants are tourist price. Rather difficult to find a good restaurant with local prices that have got independent gaijin market. Okay, we found a good one. Fuming. Why? Anyway, even though Cameron was born and raised in Osaka, the futuristic feel of Dotonbori remains inspiring. So it will be for anyone.
Seems
And a
very
team-
loud.
Yes, lots of people, very loud. Lots of activity. I had a teammate Fortnite couldn't follow me for the life of themselves. So people just can't, you know? Anyways, this is Totoro Izakaya restaurant. Here you first roll a fortune slip in your chopsticks. Cameraman got Daikichi, which means excellent luck. If you get Daikichi, you can get a sticker of this restaurant for free. Dad's got himself a beer. That's good.
Nice.
This izakaya serves robotiaki style. You order for your favorite ingredients and they grill them over charcoal right in front of you.
Intriguing. That looks really intriguing.
So we went to the grill, ordered some hot odin.
There are some very spirited people in the background.
Oh yes, it's always rather lively in izakayas. Those of you unfamiliar, odin is a winter hot pot dish. Has ingredients like boiled eggs, radish, konjac, and processed fish balls in a soy-flavored dashi broth. Also serve delicious nigiri, raw fish, sans rice. Some grilled bacon. Grilled onigiri. Take a blowtorch to the food.
Yeah, something tells me he needs a little extra help.
With the blowtorch or just
Green onions and a pork skewer. And a sweet soy sauce base with raw yolk.
That looks good.
Sukune skewer, that's a chicken meatball. Adult chicken dipped in the sauce of a baby.
Say.
Shrimp skewers. One shrimp skewer costs 800 yen, $5.60. Totally worth it. Mushed potato with egg yolk and ikra. Salmon caviar.
Fancy.
That's kind of tasty, isn't it? Dad loves his beer. Only drinks a set amount because he made a mistake in the past.
Now he's banned from 3 provinces.
And that's how cameraman was born. And probably also how Dad met cameraman's mother. Japanese winter cities are filled with steam from cooking, so warm your body and soul. Oh, here we go. Takoyaki. Looks like Turkish ice cream. A bit of a parlor trick to it.
what?
So it's a practice from that. When they found a good bar on a red light street. It's so good, it's too hot for TV. We had to blur stuff out.
Yeah.
It's not a hostess bar, though. Rather difficult to reach. Shrieking of a patron didn't help either. Bar Untrace. You know, perfect place to go grab a cocktail or a burner phone or an untraceable firearm.
見つけてこれるらしくて。
You know, one of those hideaways for adults. The owner is a young man in his 30s, former member of the Japan Self-Defense Forces.
I see why they say firearms now.
Oh, I love
1,000
that.
yen table charge. Handmade vintage-style paper menu. That was a nice touch.
I love that.
That is really creative.
Let's see, we've got
That is really creative.
Seasonal cocktails, about 1,700 to 1,800 yen. Pomegranate, plum, Japanese citrus, muscat, looks like that's sold out, and strawberry. Cameraman-san ordered pomegranate.
The man takes his aesthetic very seriously. Like, he's got a whole uniform going on.
This is my kind of scene right here. I would spend many a night in this bar. POV, you're at a bar in Japan. Like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. He trained for 10 years before running a bar on his own. He had lots of time to get good.
That's dedication.
For real, for real.
The rigorous training experience he underwent as a member of the SDF is now a good part of his work as a bartender. I mean, it'll build up your discipline, that's for sure. It'll make a man out of you. Or a woman. They do have both men and women as part of the SDF.
こっちがリンゴのブランデーと、あと自家製のザクロシロップ。はい、どうぞ。
Pomegranate cocktail, topped with a dried pomegranate and a pomegranate leaf.
There's also a star anise on top.
It almost reminds me of that oak bar at the Tokyo Station Hotel. And we're at a random conveni on the way back to the hotel,
Aw, he didn't get it.
trying and failing to grab something from one of the claw machines.
Oh my god, the takoyaki's so cute! Get it, get it! Oh, you can... No!
Several hours later, it's past midnight. And now it's 8 a.m. Did you really stay up all
Power of
night
the
watching
internet.
television?
He can neither confirm nor deny.
Surprised to find this hotel surrounded by so many apartments.
I mean, it was originally an apartment complex, wasn't it?
Yeah?
I was gonna say,
Yeah,
I was gonna say,
makes
it looks like-
sense.
it looks like it used to be an apartment, but it renovated to a hotel.
Holy shit!
Hello
there.
Hello.
Hello there.
Hi,
Yes.
Rosso.
Startled me for a moment. I was like, that's not one of my redeems.
No, I've been a little busy with the high winds we just hit.
Oh, goodness.
60-mile-an-hour winds. Everything's tied down. So
60
good to go.
miles an hour. It's practically a hurricane.
Ay, mi madre.
it comes with the cold front that's coming. Temperatures are going to be dropping 35 degrees. So
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. I'm against some of that
Jesus.
myself.
Struggling with unseasonably warm temperatures now. I have to adjust my body to cold temperatures that are probably coming my way too.
Yeah. It's yeah.
Yes, well, I am presently suffering through a little bit of what you were having to endure recently. My allergies have been giving me hell the past few days, so
Yeah.
they're probably going to be going on general strike fairly soon. Lovely.
This is why I've stocked up on soup.
What type of soup?
Got some chicken noodle, got some what was it? Like it's a hearty steak one. I gotta look at it again, but I got some gumbo, a little bit of goulash, just stuff that's going to be. I'm gonna be putting peppers in it because I'm going to flush everything out.
Right.
Jesus.
That's nice classic soups.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Smart move.
Oh yeah.
Smart
And
move.
oatmeal. Oatmeal with cinnamon, some syrup, and blueberries.
Nice.
So what do we have on the menu?
That is a good question. Let's see. I think we missed something. Breakfast fee is $7 US.
Oh, that's not bad.
Salad, fruits, bread. It's got fried dishes, stir-fried noodles, chicken, grilled fish.
Eat.
Done with that?
Self-serve miso soup.
Oh, yes. Some good old miso.
You could do with a good
This is the
cup of
future.
miso now. Rice.
I'm jealous of the fact that there's a rice cooker.
Oh,
Right.
yes, I mean, it's Japan. Gotta have a rice cooker. Let's see, we're going to make ochazuke, rice with dashi soup and some ingredients.
Love me some miso.
There's breakfast.
Oh,
Oh, that's a breakfast.
yeah.
Spread.
It really is.
I guess there's supposed to be a scrambled egg there?
Maybe.
It looks like a mini omurice.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure it is.
Noodle bowl.
I'm really surprised to see. Is that orange juice?
It is?
Yeah. Good orange juice too.
Yes. Like the freshly squeezed variety that tastes really good and doesn't taste like liquid sugar.
Yeah.
Am I the only one who thinks that's? We're kind of getting into a strange combination here because like some of those are breakfast items, then you got the miso, and then you
Oh,
got
yes.
milk and orange juice.
Milk and
Oh,
OJ are normally staples of a decent breakfast.
And I usually just pick one or the other.
It depends on the breakfast. If I'm going with something that's more savory, I'd like eggs, omelet, and toast. Definitely more of the
Dad.
sweet.
Hi, Dad.
Hotel's parent company is an Okinawan company. Okinawa is a Japanese Hawaii.
I thought that was a fish tank there for a second.
So that's what a $2,000 or $3,000 human washing machine was like. Oof. Combined with the hotel stay. Lots of duty-free shops here. You like the sound of this? Most amazing interesting sight seen in this area.
What, the mess of electrical wires?
The amount of wiring, yeah.
A
That is
lo-
crazy.
That's a lot of wiring.
Well, I mean, they get earthquakes so regularly, they can't really put them underground. Okay, so we're going on a river cruise through Dotonbori.
It's a very enthusiastic tour guide.
Yes. By the world's first Ferris wheel with a horizontally rotating gondola.
Bet if you were in one of those, and on that Ferris wheel, you'd feel like a gachapon capsule.
Yeah, maybe. Of course, it's right there at Don Quixote, so you can get yourself as many of those as you like. This river cruise costs about $14 per person. The bridge across Dotonbori has its own unique characteristics, explained in both Japanese and English.
Oh, that's nice.
We have some rules for your safety. 船が動いている最中は立ち上がったり席の移動などされませんようお願いいたします。ダンススタンダーいらっしゃいますね皆さん。Everybody 여러분, let's smile
The
and
centre of attention and become popular in Dotonbori when on this
こんに
boat.
ちは。
大阪楽しんでね。いいじゃん大阪。
Love the energy of the tour guide. Love the energy of the tour guide.
Oh, this is actually an artificial river built over 400 years ago. Built almost in a straight line from Osaka Bay. Send transport supplies to Osaka Castle.
That's impressive.
That's why the area of Dotonbori has become so prosperous. The name Dotonbori comes from the fact it was named by a man named Dota. That makes sense. Oh, even the restaurant clerk is waving at us. Hello. Entering the centre of Dotonbori.
There goes Ebisu.
It's a scene of Okonomiyaki in Osaka. Where's the Glico running man?
Don't worry, when we return here, we will take a photo time.
I am Victoria.
こちら道頓堀川に架かる道頓堀橋、大阪のメインストリート、御堂筋が通っております。地下には地下鉄御堂筋、天秤賞やドラマ、ガイドブックなどで大阪の夜の街をイメージ
So rarely you can see this sort of perspective on any travel videos from Osaka. Definitely worth our cameraman shelling out 2,000 yen. That's
こちらのグリコの看板、現在のもの6代目、初代は昭和10年に同じ場所に建てられました。今年は昭和で言いますと昭和100年に当たる
Looks like they're heading back.
ですのでね、このグリコのお兄さん実は90歳というご高齢でございます。このコテの形でコテコテコテコテコテとコテでデザインされております。
Use kote spatulas to cook okonomiyaki.
Oh, okay.
And you see the railings on the bridge. They're shaped like a spatula.
That is a wonderful head nod.
Yeah.
Did not even put us to the ship.
Very
That is-
subtle.
Nice.
Whee! Aw, doggy.
One more thing. Try the Kinryu ramen with Dotonbori. It's a tonkatsu or pork bone broth ramen.
Oh, now that just sounds so good.
A Dotonbori tradition for 43 years. Tried, tested, and true ramen with a light tonkatsu soup.
Cameraman, you better be sharing.
Right.
That looks so good.
Class, please.
Oh, look at
That's
them
just
noodles.
Noodles, green onions, chassis of pork, burnt thin noodles.
That bowl looks like it might have kimchi.
Yes, kimchi, chives, and minced garlic.
See, the kimchi
Love
by
it.
itself, kind of but when it's added to other stuff, oh my god.
Oh, I know.
Right, rock, scissors, paper time. 1, 2,
I choose
3.
paper.
Rock.
Wait, what?
Win!
Huzzah!
See you next to Taimu.
Wait, what's the rock, paper, scissors? What?
Look, Travel Geek always does rock, paper, scissors at the end of every video.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Right. Post that in chat.